Hello everyone, this video is how to set up a USB drive as network drive to Asus router. Before you attach external USB drive to Asus router, you need to format the drive first. So as you can see, the drive is here. I use 32 gigabyte external drive, and to format, right click and format. You will see the and I choose NTFS system. You can also use FAT32, but in my experience, FAT32 doesn't work in a large drive. If you use this system in a large drive, the Asus router will not recognize the drive. So I use the NTFS, and then quit format and then start. And OK. Now format is complete, and OK, and close it. Before you attach external drive to the Asus router, it is easier to make a folder in the hard drive first. So make a new folder, and you can give the name whatever you like. I will give a storage, and you remove the drive from the computer and attach to the router. Now you log into your Asus router. So this is inside my router. My router is Asus RT-AC3200. The other Asus router have a similar interface. After you attach the USB drive, it should show up here. So this is the drive that I just attached. And next, go to USB application. So and then go to AI disk. And mine was already set up, so I'm just going to reset it. So when you reset it, you will see to choose admin rights. So I choose this one, and then go to next, and then you can change the name here, whatever the name you want to, and then go next. Finished. So this is what you will see in the AI disk. This is the address that you use to access your network drive from outside of your home remotely. This is the address you will use to access your network drive while you are at home and inside the network. And before I proceed to another USB application, we need to change the Asus firmware to Asus Marlin, because this firmware will give more options in setting up USB application. So I will show you how to do that. You need to go to administration, and then go to firmware upgrade. So here my firmware is already the Asus Marlin firmware. And before you change your original Asus firmware to Asus Marlin firmware, it is a good idea to save the current setting from here, and then save setting, and then save it somewhere in your computer, in case after you change to the Asus Marlin's firmware, if something went wrong, you will have the setting saved, and then you can always restore from your previous setting. Now I'm going to show you how to download Asus Marlin software. Here you type in AS and go to download, and then go to one of the site. Here you can choose the router of your router firmware here. So mine is a 3200, so I downloaded it and save it. Then go back to your router and then go to firmware upgrade, and then browse the file that you just saved from the Asus Marlin website, and upload it. And then it takes a while, and then it will flush the router with the Asus Marlin. And after that, go back to USB application, and we already set up our AI disk. So the next thing we need to go is a server center. Here a media center, I do not use iTunes server, so I do not change anything here. And then go to this place, network space place, and enable share. Got this off, and I do not change this. And the device name, you can give whatever name you want, because this is the name the drive is going to show up as your network drive. And the workgroup is home, and Samba protocol I choose both 1 and 2, and then not change the rest, and then click apply. And I want to show you here your drive is already showing up here. So if you click this, the storage drive is here already showing up here, and you can also add another folder here. So go here, and let's say a folder name is scan, and then add. Now you can see that you have two folders, scan and storage. And then go to FTP share, enable FTP, enable WANSS. I turn it off. So this is the function that you will have only if you use Asus Marlin firmware. You will not have this function in your original Asus firmware. If you turn it on, then you can access your network drive from outside remotely. So you have a control whether you want to give access or not. I don't usually give access from outside because I don't think it is quite safe. So I always turn it off unless I really need to access my drive from outside. So at least you have a control here if you use this Asus Marlin firmware. And here you can see the folder and the drive here, and I do not change any of those numbers, and then you just apply it. And this is pretty much done what you need to set up in the router. And then now we go and check if your drive show up in the network. So you check network, double click it. So as you can see here, the network drive, the name is showing up here. So if you double click, it will show the folder here that you set it up. So you click on the storage. After in the folder, that you can make another folder here, and then make a new folder, and then you can copy and paste from other hard drive. So this is how you set up. If you go into the this folder, usually they ask you the credential here, and you just need to put in the password and username and password of your router to be able to access. In this case, I have already accessed this, so it didn't ask me the password again. So this is how you attach USB drive to the Asus router. And this is a 32 gigabyte external drive. I also have another hard drive, which is an 8 terabyte Western Digital. I've been using with the Asus router. Asus router recognize RTAC 3200, recognize up to 8 terabyte from my experience. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.